Okay, this is an omelet I'm making. I was gonna make a tomato omelet, but I'm putting everything in here. I put onions. I'm cooking the onions right now and the green pepper. I put some black olives in there and tomato. Usually I wait to throw the tomato in there for after I get the egg in there, but I don't know, the tomato seemed like it was kind of frozen. The fridge is kind of cold. So here we go. I didn't do that too good. Or very well. Proper English. Let's see here. Alright, now we got running out of time here. I'm trying to make a short. There you go, the tomatoes. And I'm throwing some provolone cheese on there. That's all I got. That's why we're using that. There you go. Let it cook. And flip it. See you in the next one.